the AI platform that you can create animation videos by using ChatGPT script. Okay, if I show you how you can use the ChatGPT script, for that with ChatGPT you can easily write the script for your video. Write see like this, write the video script about this following by your video script. This is the function, write the video script about this following your topic. For example, if you are making a video about how much water you need in a day, you can write video script about how much water you need for a day in the ChatGPT. I will show you how this function used in the ChatGPT to make a video script. Okay, I'm in the interface of the ChatGPT and I will show you how you can make the video script like in 1 second. Okay, in the box up down you can write the video script about this. This is the function, and after that you must write your video topic. Video topic means your video title. About the video title, write the video script about this. I am using this video title, how much water you need for a day. This is the video title. Write the video script about this. After that, your video title and enter button. Click the enter button. Your video will be created in the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very simple. The video script will create in 1 minute. After that, you will enter button. You can see your video will be created in 1 second or 2 seconds. It is very easy to create the video scripts on the ChatGPT. After the video script is created, you must copy this video script to your notepad or Word document. After that, I will show you where you can create animation videos by using this video script. Okay, video script is created. You must copy this to your notepad or Word document. Let's go and see how you can create this video script to animation. I am using this tool called Steve AI to create animation videos by using the script. You can simply paste your script in this software and you can simply create animation videos, and you can put it in your YouTube videos, and you can create it for the free Fiverr. If you are freelancer, you can create animation videos for freelancing by using Steve AI tool. Okay, you can this tool is a paid tool. You have to pay it monthly plan or yearly plan by using this software. If you buy this software, it is you can make money by freelancing or making YouTube videos. You can make money by using this software. Okay, let's go and see how you can make text to videos by using this AI tool. I am logging in my account right now. After logging in the account, you can see the interface like this: script to live videos, blog to videos, voice to live videos. You can use this 3 version on this Steve AI tool. You can create text to videos, animation videos, and also you can create blog article to animation videos, and also your voice to animation videos. You can use this 3 option in this Steve AI tool. Okay, let's go and see how you can use your text to creating the animation video. Just click the start button. After that, you will be going to the interface like this, and you must choose the video type is animation, and video ratio, category. You can choose any category. I am choosing health. You can choose any title given by this Steve AI tool. You can change this title after that, and your video script will create it by Steve AI. You must delete that script, and your video title, you must put video title in here. I will put the title health. After that, you can create the voiceovers from this Steve AI and background music. I do not use the background music from the Steve AI. I am using my own background music for videos. After that, you must delete the whole script given by the Steve AI and copy your script to this section right here. Okay, your script is copied by this Steve AI, and you can generate the voiceovers by using this tool. You can generate the voiceovers. This is English, French, and accent US. you can choose a male or female, and voice artist you can choose. After that you can generate the voiceover, and after that you can click the next button, and after that you must choose the design from here. After you choosing the theme in the workspace, you can see your video is created. In the down you can see the scene 1, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 7, and you can edit every scene. If you do not like in the apple, it is apple in the water video, it is not correct, and you can change this character by choosing this, and you can change this character, or you can change the properties. You can change everything by using this. I am choosing this, and I am changing the action. You drinking water. This lady is drinking the water. I will choose this character, and it will be placed in here. The lady is drinking the water. Like that you can drag and drop this element in this workspace. You can drag and drop your words, everything. Like that you can create your videos by using Steve AI. After you created your video, you can preview by clicking this video button. I am not going to preview, and after that you can click the publish button. Your video will be created in a second. So it is very easy to create videos by using Steve AI. I am highly recommend, if you are a newcomer in the YouTube field, you can create these kind of videos for your YouTube channel. Let's see how our video is created by Steve AI.
Water is essential for our survival, but do you know how much water you actually need in a day? The amount of water a person needs can vary depending on factors like age, sex, and activity level.
Okay, these kind of videos is very highly ranking in YouTube because these videos are created in the animation form. Because it created in the animation form, everybody will be like these videos because it is very much of eye-catching, and it is very much likely to see every person, like students or old ones, by using these animation videos. So I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to like the videos and make sure to subscribe my channel.